Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so. And here you find a bunch of your toggles. Now we can swipe down on this list and this will extend the list of it, along with giving you the actual names for these toggles, as the imagery on them isn't necessarily too great. So here you can see we have screen recorder and it looks like this. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. Okay, as you can see, I just stopped the recording. Now I didn't want to talk while it was recording, as I don't know if the microphone is enabled by default, record device sound, so it looks like it wasn't. So it only records device sound. Now you can see that by clicking on this gear, which takes you to the settings, and you can also customize these settings in here. Now, when you're recording, you can open up any kind of applications, and they should typically be recorded as long as said application doesn't utilize the feature to block screen pinning, which would include screenshots and screen recordings. In this case, when trying to record such an application, you would end up with just a black screen that would be recorded. Now, annoying thing is you won't actually know till you watch back the recording. So when you're recording the application that you see right now on like the screen, it will look normal. When you're playing it back, you will see on the playback it's just a black screen. So if you ever find such a thing, just know that whatever you're trying to record just decided to block the screen recorder, and there's no option for you to turn off that kind of feature. So if an app has it, that's it. There's nothing for you to change. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can find the screen recorder or recording in your Photos application. Or I guess here we have AI Gallery. And it will be visible on the Photos as the newest one, but later on, if you're trying to find the screen recording down the line, it might be easier to go into the albums. And here we have, it's going to be in screenshots. No, it's not. And there we go, we have screen recordings below. So we do have a dedicated screen recording album in which you will find just the screen recordings. You can also find the screen recordings under videos. And you can click on it to now view it. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.